Hey everyone, welcome to our new video for the Kerala PSC exam preparation. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment your scores down. Cylinder and feed rolls rotate in same direction, opposite direction, clockwise direction, none of the above. Answer is opposite direction. Feed rolls are made by steel, metal parts, fiber, wood. Answer is metal parts. In Excel, what helps to automatically fill the text when we start typing? Auto-correct, auto-complete, auto-formatting, all of the above. Answer is auto-complete. The shortcut to select a paragraph is triple click, double click, single click, Ctrl plus A. Answer is triple click. The computer system temporarily keeps the deleted files in dust bin, system register, both A and B, recycle bin. Answer is recycle bin. Shortcut key used for spell checking. F7, F9, F3, F5. Answer is F7. If the computer system date and time is wrong, we can change it through add remove program, accessories, control panel, computer panel. Answer is control panel. In MS Word, the default layout is page reading layout, draft layout, outline layout, page layout. Answer is page layout. In a typewriter, home keys are provided in how many rows? First, second, third, none of the above. Answer is second. The alphabet O is used for Zaira in dash type keyboard. Scientific, ideal, universal, none. Answer is ideal. Microsoft Windows is very popular because of its features. Desktop, graphical user interface, MS Office, all of the above. Answer is graphical user interface. We can see the machine number on the dash of the typewriter. Front, back, left, right. Answer is right. What is an Indian proprietary privacy-centric web browser developed by Hidden Reflex using Chromium source code? Nexus, Epic, Opera, Safari. Answer is Epic. What will be the effect of two little carriage tension? Letters may overlap, makes jerks, move easily without strain, none of these. Answer is letters may overlap. The word processor is evolved from computers, typewriters, electronic typeset, none of the above. Answer is typewriters. Symptoms of a computer virus is slow computer performance, frequent crashes, excessive hard drive activity, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Default file extension used in LibrePF Writer. .odt, .ods, .otd, .odw. Answer is .odt. First electric typewriter developed by Edison, William Burt, Glidden, John James. Answer is Edison. How many space adjustments can be done in a typewriter? 3, 5, 2, 4. Answer is 5. The paper bale holds the paper around the cylinder, feed rollers, card holders, all of the above. Answer is cylinder. From the following, which option is not available under Paste Special? Functions, comments, validation, formats. Answer is functions. How many types of ribbons are used in the typewriter? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Which parts of typewriter can be cleaned by petrol? Rubber, back, frictional parts, electroplated part. Answer is electroplated part. Cowl is also known as center guide, universal bar, top plate, type basket. Answer is top plate. What is used for leaving space between words? Carriage lever, key lever, space bar, type bar. Answer is space bar. PowerPoint slide may contain text and graphics, sounds and movie, text and images, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. In demi-official letters, the complimentary clause used is yours sincerely, yours faithfully, yours truly, yours affectionately. Answer is yours sincerely. From the following, which part is more suitable for getting proper alignment? Type guide, buffer spring, carriage roads, all of the above. Answer is type guide. There are how many arrow keys in a computer keyboard? 4, 8, 5, none of the above. Answer is 4. Shortcut used to select the entire text is Ctrl plus I, Ctrl plus T, Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus W. Answer is Ctrl plus A. If the user drag selected text, which action is carried out? Deleting the text, applying special effect, moving the text, no change. Answer is moving the text. From the following, which typewriter is provided with dead key? English, Malayalam, both A and B, none of the above. Answer is Malayalam. The printed copy of a presentation is called notes, outlines, handouts, all of the above. Answer is handouts. In a typewriter, two sets of feed rollers are situated. Upper part of cylinder, no feed rollers available. Below the cylinder, none of the above. Answer is below the cylinder. Medium type of cylinder is used for stencil cutting, duplicating, ordinary typing, both A and C. Answer is ordinary typing. An example of multi-user operating system is Mac OS, Gmail, Linux, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. The first electronic spreadsheet for personal computers. VishiCalc, StarCalc, Excel, Lotus. Answer is VishiCalc. The heel of the type bar pushes back the dash, causing step-by-step movement of carriage. Overhead paper bail rod, feed rolls release lever, carriage release lever, type bar, universal bar. Answer is type bar, universal bar. Automatic slideshow speed can be set by using rehearse timing, custom animation, handout master, slide tab time. Answer is rehearse timing. The default horizontal and vertical faint gray lines that distinguish individual cells in a worksheet. Border lines, shading lines, styles, grid lines. Answer is grid lines. Shortcut used to print the active document. Control plus X, Control plus P, Control plus W, Control plus O. Answer is Control plus P. Which of the following language is used by a computer system to process data? Processing system, ops code, binary system, none of the above. Answer is binary system. Feed rollers are situated where with respect to the cylinder? Below, left side, right side, none of the above. Answer is below. The black and white monitors are called LCD, bichrome monitor, monochrome monitor, TFT. Answer is monochrome monitor. A workbook is a collection of workbooks and charts, worksheets, all of the above. Answer is worksheets. The taskbar situated in MS Word is bottom of the word window, top of the word window, above the status bar, below the menu bar. Answer is bottom of the word window. Rubber parts of the typewriter can be cleaned by using oil, diesel, water, petrol. Answer is petrol. Which key should be used to get equal column? Tab key, marginal release key, shift key, space. Answer is tab key. Another name of paper gauge. Line space gauge, feed pawl, touch regulator, marginal side guide. Answer is marginal side guide. In MS PowerPoint presentation, the shortcut key used for hyperlink is Ctrl plus H, Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus O, Ctrl plus X. Answer is Ctrl plus K. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and comment your scores. Wish you all the best.